23ABC's Digital Update is brought to you by West Medical.
And good evening, I'm Tim Callahan.
And I'm Jessica Harrington. Here's what's making headlines around Kern County. After more than 27 years, Alan Tandy, Bakersfield's longtime city manager, has announced plans to retire from his position in December. Tandy made his announcement to the mayor and city council this afternoon in a letter saying that he has plans to hang up his hat as city manager on December 1st. Tandy holds the record for the longest serving city manager in Bakersfield history. With Tandy's retirement, the search now begins for who will fill the coveted position.
The official Instagram account for Kern County Public Health hacked reportedly last night. Today, the department has gotten back their account under control. Last night, officials with Public Health discovering they were locked out of their Instagram account, and hackers had been sending messages to people the department was connected with. Hackers also reportedly changing the name of the health department account. It's unknown at this time who hacked the Instagram account. If you received a message from Public Health between the last night and this evening, you're encouraged to just simply ignore it.
Today marks 3 weeks since the city manager of McFarland, John Wooner, was reported missing. Bakersfield police are still investigating his disappearance, which is being considered suspicious. Bakersfield police say 57-year-old Wooner was last seen Tuesday, May 14th at Hillcrest Cemetery here in Bakersfield. He's about 6 feet tall, 300 pounds with black hair and brown eyes, and was last seen driving a city vehicle, a silver Dodge Durango, which did not have GPS tracking. If you've seen Wooner or know where he is, you're asked to call BPD at 327-7111.
Those temperatures are expected to rise even more tomorrow, potentially seeing that first 100-degree day here in Bakersfield as well as other areas of the valley. Warm temperatures across the valley. 92 at the Grapevine, 74 in Fraser Park, 86 in Tehachapi, 80 up in Lake Isabella, 95 out in Mojave. And the National Weather Service is issuing a heat advisory tomorrow for the valley that will go into effect at noon and last until 8 p.m. So just something to keep in mind. You want to make sure that you are trying to limit your outdoor activities, hydrate, and wear sunscreen. Those temperatures are going to be extremely warm. Unfortunately, our air quality not doing so great. Still unhealthy for sensitive groups tomorrow, but forecasted to be worse compared to today. That forecasted AQI 136. So we'll see those high temperatures again on Thursday, although slightly cooler, and then we'll be cooling down even more to those mid-80s, more seasonal temperatures for this time of year, and then warming up quickly, those 90s returning by Sunday, potentially seeing those triple digits for a few days in a row next week.
That's your latest news and weather. You can find the top stories anytime at turn23.com. Good night.